नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? All are fine? Happy in house? Okay. First I'll tell you meaning of namaste. This is a wishing. When first time in a day you will meet someone, in Tamil you will say vanakkam. Okay. In English we will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Same thing in Hindi, when we will meet someone we will say namaste. Namaste means wishing someone. Second sentence I told you, आप कैसे हैं? आप word we are using a person who is elder than you. कैसे means how, and हैं, here I am using हैं word, and हैं means are, A-R-E, are. आप कैसे हैं means how are you. Okay, so you also learn how to speak in Hindi. I will daily one sentence I'll teach you. So namaste, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Okay, we will start our lesson 2 today. This is a very good story. Our lesson name is बुद्धिमान हक्कू. बुद्धिमान हक्कू. बुद्धिमान means intelligent, very clever, genius. Hakku. Hakku is a character name. Can you guess who could be Hakku? Is there any boy, girl, any animal, bird? No. In the story, Hakku is a frog. All you know the frog? Frog means मेंढक. In Hindi, frog we will say मेंढक. What we will say? Say with me. मेंढक. मेढक. मेढक. मेढक means frog. Okay? Okay, see on the screen there is a picture. Green color. What is this picture? This is a frog. What is that? Frog. And frog in Hindi what we will say? मेढक. What we will say? मेढक. And in the story, what is this frog name? Hakku. What is the frog name? Hakku. Hakku is a frog name. Okay, now you see second picture. What is the second picture? Crow. What is this? Crow. Crow in Tamil what we will say? Kaka. What we will say? Kaka. And you know, Hindi what we will say crow? Kauwa. Ka ka pe ao ki matra kau, and a. Kauwa. Kauwa means kaka. Crow. Okay, and where, see here, one pond is there. Okay, pond in Hindi what we will say? Talab. Pond, you know na, maximum people have seen there is a water in this in rainy season, or somewhere like it is like a lake but little small than lake, that is known as a pond. Or you can see like a swimming pool, but that is bigger than swimming pool. Okay, swimming pool nicely tiles will be there, but pond it will be muddy. Okay, that is a natural pond where rainwater will be collected in rainy season. So in Buddhiman Hakku, in our lesson we will read story about a frog and a crow. Okay children, now I'll read story for you, one line, and I will explain you. Okay, बुद्धिमान हक्कू. शहर के पूर्व में एक तालाब था. उसके किनारे आम का वृक्ष था. उस पर बहुत सारे कच्चे पक्के आम थे. उन आमों को तोड़ने के लिए बच्चे पत्थर मारते थे. So far from the city there was a pond. and near the pond there was a mango tree. In that mango tree, lot of mango was there. Some was raw and some was ripe. And to get that mango, children will go near the pond, and what they will do? They will throw stone on that mango tree to get the mango. If you want to get the mango and you don't know how to climb on mango tree, so what you will do? You will throw the stone on mango tree and mango will come down, some raw, some ripe mango, and you will pick up the mango and you will enjoy, right? We all do like this, na? If you want to pluck something from tree, we will throw the stone. So same thing that children also are doing. So see in the picture how Rakku is holding Hakku on that mango tree. Okay, can you see in the picture? Hakku means that Mendhak and Rakku that crow. Name you remember na? Rakku means Kaka and Mendhak Hakku. Hakku is a frog and he is going to start to eat. But it's not easy because Hakku is very intelligent. Hakku बुद्धिमान था. बुद्धिमान मीन्स इंटेलिजेंट. उसने कौवे से कहा, भैया मैं मिट्टी से गंदा हो गया हूँ, पहले मुझे धो लो फिर स्वाद से खाना. That Hakku told, brother, I am coming from pond na, and in pond too much mud is there. See how dirty I am. Please allow me to go. I will clean myself, then you eat me. Okay, nicely you eat me, no problem. Now see the second picture. हक्कू की बात सुन रक्कू बहुत खुश हुआ. वह हक्कू को चोंच में दबाए तालाब के किनारे पहुंचा. धोने के लिए उसको नीचे रखा और पानी लेने के लिए तालाब की ओर मुड़ा. So when Hakku told na, in my body too much mud is there, let me wash myself, then you eat nicely, no problem. And crow thought, yeah, he is saying good only, why dirty I will eat, let me wash him. Then again he picked up that frog Hakku and went near the pond. He kept down the frog and went to pick up some water from pond. Okay. Can you see in the picture? There is a pond. Near the pond, there is a tree and one frog is sitting. What is this frog name? Hakku. What is this frog name? Hakku. So children were there plucking the mango, throwing the stone. There only in pond, this frog is living. उसी तालाब में एक मेंढक रहता था. उसका नाम हक्कू था. So in same pond there was a frog. His name was हक्कू. एक दिन जब बच्चे आमों पर पत्थर मार रहे थे तो वह डर कर बाहर आया और किनारे बैठ गया. So when children are throwing the stone na, and some stones are falling in the pond, that Hakku got very scared and he has come out and sit near the bank of pond are in corner of the pond outside. Now you can see one more picture. What is that picture? Crow. Kaka. Can you see the picture? There is a Kaka. And do you know what is the Kaka name? In the story, this Kaka name is Rakku. What is the name? Rakku. उसी समय रक्कू कौवा उड़ता हुआ वहाँ पहुँचा. Okay? So, when he was sitting near the pond, that time he saw there was a crow. One crow has कम। तभी मौका पाकर हक्कू ने पानी में छलांग लगाई और गहरे पानी में चला गया। So what happened? तभी मौका पाकर हक्कू ने पानी में छलांग लगाई और गहरे पानी में चला गया। And when this crow has keep him down and went to bring the water, fast Hakku, what he has done? He has jumped inside the water in the pond and he has gone deep inside the pond. रक्कू कौवे ने आवाज लगाई and रक्कू saw Hakku is not there, so he is saying, कहाँ हो? अरे भाई कहाँ हो? So Rakku is saying, where are you? Oh, Hakku brother, where are you? Hakku बोला, Hakku means मेढक, frog. He told, कौवे भैया, रक्कू भैया और काका भैया अन्ना, मैं अपने घर में हूँ. I am in my house. तुम भी अपने घर जाओ. You also go to your house. रक्कू कौवा मुँह लटकाकर उड़ गया. And this Rakku na Kaka, he got very upset because one food has come in his mouth but he is not able to eat. So he become very sad and he went back. So what is the moral of the story? Wisdom can help to come out of any situation. बुद्धिमानी से किसी भी समस्या का हल हो सकता है. So if you are in problem, doesn't matter how big is the problem, that time you should be very alert and think wisely. Okay, keep calm, think brilliantly. Okay, just think what you can do the best instead of being panic, so you will be able to sort out your problem. Next we will go for word meaning. Okay, we will see some word meaning. What is this? Ta-la-b. Talab. Talab means pond. Talab means pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Pond means talab. Ki-na-re. Kinare. Kinare means on the bank. Kinare means on the bank. Near the pond is there na? Bank of the pond. Baith gaya. Baith gaya. Baith gaya means sat down. Baith gaya means sat down. Chonch mein. Chonch mein. Chonch mein means in the beak. In the beak. Dal par. Dal par means on the branch. On the branch. One more time we will read. Talab. Talab means pond. Where Hakku was living? In the pond, na? Where Hakku was living? In the pond. Kinare. Kinare means on the bank. On the bank. Where is the mango tree in the story? On the bank of the pond. Okay. Baith gaya. Sat down. So when children are throwing the stone, where Hakku has sat? On the bank of the pond. So sat down means baith gaya. Chonch mein. In the beak. Who hold chonch mein? In the beak mein? Rakku. Rakku was the crow na? He has pick up the Hakku in his chonch. Chonch means beak. B-E-A-K. Dal par. Dal par means on the branch. On the branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. In a tree, lot of branches will be there, na? That is dal par. धोना. ध ध पे ओ की मात्रा धो, न पे आ की मात्रा ना. धोना. धोना means to wash. धोना means to wash. we are washing cloth. After eating food, we will wash the plate. Sometime every Friday we will wash the house, na? So that is dhona. Dhona means to wash. Tabhi. Tabhi. Tabhi means at that moment. Tabhi means at that moment. Means I'll give you example how it is. Like teacher is saying, get up, read this lesson or read this line. You are getting up and you are starting to read. That moment only bell has rang. Okay, lunch break bell has rang or your snacks break. That is called tabhi. Means at the moment you are going to start something, that moment something has happened. That is tabhi. मौका. म पे औ की मात्रा मौ, क पे आ की मात्रा का. मौका. मौका मीन्स opportunity. 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 Opportunity means chance. मौका. Okay. मौका or chance. छलांग. छलांग means jumping. छलांग means jump. We are jumping, na? Froggy what he will do? Frog what he will do? He will jump. Monkey what he will do? One branch to another branch, one tree to another tree. What he will do? He will jump. Awaaz. Next one, awaaz. Awaaz means voice. Awaaz means voice. 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 Voice means awaaz. Like bird will twitter, na? A kind of awaaz. Dog will bark. That is also a type of awaaz. Awaaz means noise. Someone will come on your door. They will knock the door. How you will know? Some awaaz will come. Some noise will come. That is awaaz. Okay children, so in this lesson Buddhiman Hakku, we have learned a story about a Medhak and Kaka. Okay, Medhak name was Hakku and Kaka name was Rakku. Now I'll ask you some question, you have to reply. हक्कू बुद्धिमान था या बुद्धिहीन? बुद्धिमान मीन्स इंटेलिजेंट, बुद्धिहीन मीन्स not intelligent or innocent, you can say. Okay, innocent. So Hakku was intelligent or innocent? What was the answer? In the story, how is Hakku? Hakku means that Medhak. How he is? He was very buddhiman, intelligent, right? So Hakku was very intelligent. Hakku बुद्धिमान था. Okay. Question number 2. तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब कहाँ था? तालाब means pond. कहाँ means where. था means was. So where was the pond? Where was the pond in the story? शहर से दूर. So far from the city. Where was the तालाब? तालाब कहाँ था? शहर से दूर. Question number 3. वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? वृक्ष means tree. वृक्ष means tree. लगे थे means what was that? In the story, tree also has come, na? वृक्ष or पेड़. So what tree was there? Where children were throwing the stone? Do you remember? What was the tree name? It was a mango tree. Right? It was a mango tree. So in mango tree, when children are throwing stones, so what fruit it will be? Very normal. On mango tree, mango will be there. Correct? So वृक्ष पर क्या लगे थे? What was on the tree? So वृक्ष पर आम लगे थे. आम means mango. You all know na? A से आम. So on mango tree, what was that? वृक्ष पर आम लगे हुए थे. Now we will go for question number 4. पेड़ के नीचे आकर बच्चे क्या करते थे? What children are doing near the tree? Ped means tree. So what children are doing near the tree or down the tree? They are throwing the stone na to pluck the mango. So पेड़ के नीचे आकर बच्चे पत्थर मारते थे. पेड़ के ऊपर पत्थर मारते थे. So what children are doing? They are throwing the stone on mango tree. Question number 5. हक्कू ने अपनी जान बचाने के लिए रक्कू से क्या कहा? Hakku, what he told to Rakku to save his life? What he told? When Rakku hold him on his beak and he took him on the tree, what Hakku told? Hakku was very intelligent, na? To save his life, what he told? He told, friend, I'm very dirty. In my body, lot of mud is there. Let me go to wash myself, then you enjoy me. He told like this, na? So, हक्कू ने क्या कहा? पहले मुझे धो लो. In the story, word meaning wash has come, na? Wash means cleaning, washing, okay? धोना. So, हक्कू told, दोस्त रक्कू मुझे धो लो. Okay, children? So, this is your question answer and word meaning. How was the story? It was good, na? Good. In your Zoom classes, I will ask you the question. Medhak, what we will say? Frog. Kaka, what we will say? Crow. Talab, pond. Vriksh or ped, tree. Aam, mango. This all word meaning you have to remember. In our Zoom classes I will ask. Okay children, thank you very much. Have a good day.